Up for sale, a 1965 Corvette, red on red, factory red on red car as well, red leather interior. It currently has a ZZ4 350 horsepower motor in it. Got some cool, I think they're torque thrusts with a Corvette cap on it. Very attractive. 4-speed manual transmission. The paint is beautiful. It's like glass. The chrome is very nice as well. It's a previous Texas car, so the frame's rock solid, very clean, nicely painted, nicely detailed, I should say, not painted. Funny enough, the previous owner had like a scratch guard all around the bottom, so no stone chips, nothing around the bottom. I peeled them off when they got here, so it's fresh, ready to go wherever the next lucky buyer wants to have it taken. Like I said, red interior, very nice interior, nice dash, wood grain steering wheel, nice red carpet, the nice dash, AM FM, the 4-speed, glove box, more carpet. Here, I'll open the hood too. Nice red leather interior. Again, look at the paint. Very pretty. There we go. Original Texas. Chrome is nice. The lights go up and down too. I can show you that. See, look at that right there. No stone chips on it. Very nice. Yes, another look at the interior. Look at the glass reflection. The only real paint flaw is this little scratch right there. It looks like the wife was getting in, rubbed up against it with her big fancy purse. I wouldn't be surprised. Women these days, they don't appreciate the cars like the men do. But some do. Some do. I've been surprised. See, here's the motor. ZZ4 crate. Nice. Clean engine compartment. Has a Demon carburetor as well. I can't show you that, but you'll see it in the pictures, obviously. So it's for sale up on eBay very soon, today, if not tomorrow. It'll be on our website, but our website's not up yet, so check out our store. Give us a call or send us a message. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. We can provide our phone number too, if you want to get in touch and ask us some questions about this beauty. Thank you. No, hold on.
Hi, Andrew.
Hello.
This car just came in, 1965 Corvette, Came in from Texas. Got a ZZ4 350 crate engine, and it's probably 350 horsepower. It's a very solid frame, super clean underneath. The paint appears to be only a year or two old. Some of the original bonding strips are still on it. Interior is leather. It's a factory red leather interior, factory red paint, the original colors. Drives real well, accelerates great, handles great, shifts great through all 4 gears. We'll take it for a little ride. The streets are a little wet, so we don't want to go too crazy. Yeah, Andrew, the clock works. The temperature gauge and the fuel is not working, but that's got to be an easy fix. I don't want to lose control and crash it, Andrew, on a test ride for the customers. But this car is going to be on eBay. It's going to be priced reasonable, like all of ours. And you know what I like about this car? You see a lot of white tops with red. This one has a black top with the nice custom aluminum wheels. Salty roads, now we're going to put it in. Any questions, please give us a message or an email, and we'll answer any questions you have.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Bye.